Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have AVAX Avalanche daily update. We are going to see some strong support levels, next price targets, do a technical analysis, make a price prediction, everything you should know in this video. Thank you for watching. If you would like to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can join our Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below. Let's dive into the technical analysis, unbiased information, and honest review. Let's go now to see some important things. First of all, closing below this target right here, guys, and most likely the 41 Tether USD will get us for sure to 38, okay? And we have one more at the 35.5775, sorry, actually, which is our next price level. So support levels 38.27, 35.75 in case we close below the 42 and especially the 41 Tether USD price. We have some important resistance levels to look at. The one is at the 52.74 and the next one 55.48 for now for AVAX, okay? And of course, closing above might get us to 62 Tether USD, around there, which is our next target in case we surpass the previous high on 10th February. So we are going to see, we found some strong resistance level because we approached the previous high right here. We had a double top and now we are correcting, we are consolidating a little bit. The volume here is a little bit the same. It is decreasing right now though. The moving average is going down on the 4-hour frame, that is. And now the MACD doesn't look good. We are going all the way down and the price is going down as well, right? We corrected around 28%. That's huge correction going on right there for AVAX, and we are going to see if this will hold out or not, okay? So let's go to the AVAX USDT on the 4-hour frame. It is the first time I think that we went down from the 20-day EMA a little bit. We went down on 15th August and we found support level right here on 12th August. So it is not the first time, but apart from there, we had a very huge pump up right here. You can see, and now we drop down again. The 50-day EMA will play a very significant role in either if we are holding it or not. We will see about that. If we go down, guys, this doesn't mean that we will go all the way down, but we will lose an important support level, the 50-day exponential moving average. The stochastic RSI is in an oversold, the commodity channel index as well, but the RSI remains above the 30, and we need to see if we will get a pattern going on like this or not. If we dropped all the way down below the 30, this would be good for the swing trades, but it wouldn't be good in attending and in achieving the 58 Tether USD and more, okay? Because if we go below the 30, we might lose some important support levels by the time we get there, all right? So eventually, now we want to wait and see. If you are a beginner, just wait a little bit and see. 2 out of 3 risk metrics are in an oversold, but at the moment, we do not want to trade in right now, all right? So let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, you can see that on the MACD, we have this angle right here on the blue line going down, and eventually it might cross down the signal line, the orange line. And if we have a bearish cross, that doesn't mean we are going all the way down, but it will surely mean that we will lose some support levels and therefore we might be going down as well. If we make a bearish cross and we go all the way down while the signal line goes like that, for example, I'm saying it will be very bearish. For now, we haven't seen this cross yet, so we do not have to worry. On the Bollinger Bands right now, we are getting close to the middle. No, not the middle, but we are inside the Bollinger Bands at the moment. You can see I will close them up because we do not need them right now, and I will open the SSL HYBRID. We had a selling opportunity right here. We had short our position right there, buying opportunity, and eventually we get a red arrow right here for the SSL HYBRID on the daily frame. That means we should be closing our position till now, and that means we have a selling opportunity right there and we do not know where are we going. All right, so eventually I'm going to close a little bit. They look like twins right here, but anyway, they have not the same lower shadow or upper shadow, but the body is almost the same as you can see right here. So eventually we want to see how this will play out. On the daily frame, it was normal to correct a little bit till the moment that we go a little bit beyond the 70, because you can see the RSI even went near the 100. Huge pump up right there for AVAX. The same for the commodity channel index. So correcting a little bit is healthy. All right, correcting is healthy for now. Stochastic RSI was in an overbought situation for quite some long right now, and we need to see where are we going, because eventually we will notice that we are going into an oversold. And then if we have the continuation of the impulsive wave, here will be a great buying opportunity. I will make an update about it if you want me to. Let's go to AVAX Bitcoin chart. You can see on the 4-hour frame, we went down from the 20-day EMA, and now we want to see whether we are holding or not. It seems like we will go a little bit further down. Stochastic RSI and commodity channel index both in oversold right now. RSI is not. It looks like the AVAX USDT chart. You can see that it looks identical a little bit. We were outperforming Bitcoin. Now we are just correcting a little bit. So on the daily frame, you can see the same happens for the AVAX Bitcoin chart. You can see that now we are not in an overbought anymore, and it is very healthy to correct a little bit, because we had a crazy pump up and the RSI was in an overbought for quite some time right now. What we hope for is to get a pattern like this going on. Okay, eventually we do not want on the daily to see the RSI going down. This means that we will lose some important support levels, and this will be the end of the continuation of this impulsive wave. All right, so let's go right now to the price analysis, and you can see that we are going a little bit for now down, and I will have this one here. You can see that there we go, and you can see that we have the 35.70 as our next price support levels. Okay, in case we drop down from this line and we close below, keep in mind that we probably go down to 38, even if we go below the 41. Is this correction healthy? Do we need to worry? For now, it looks like we do not need to worry, but I am not sure if this is healthy. For example, for Cardano and for Bitcoin, I told you that for the moment it is absolutely healthy, right? But for AVAX right here, it looks like it is pretty good, especially if we found a buying pressure right here. You can see on the 4-hour frame, and we go upwards, we have some resistance levels going on, the 52 and the 55. Closing above the 55 especially will get us surely to the 60 around there, 62.890, which is around 13 to 14% shrink trade. Of course, we can go even higher if we get above at the 65 or even at the 67, 20% of a shrink trade, right? But you minimize the risk if we close above the 55, or if we go down to have the RSI and other risk metrics in an oversold situation. Therefore, you could buy the dip. Right now, I would suggest to wait. Okay, for those who bought at the top, just hold your coins. Hold your coins for the moment and do not do anything. This is not a financial advice, my opinion, of course. It can be wrong, but anyway, I would suggest to hold. Okay, so for now, we are holding this price level pretty good, the 42, and we want to see whether we will close down from the 42 or not here on AVAX. It looks like we have found some strong support levels right there. The first target that we should be looking at, 46 in case we go upwards, and 48.68 around this area, 48.61, 46 Tether USD for AVAX. Okay, so eventually now it is the time that we should be a little bit careful and give it the time needed, because we have a bearish moment, but that doesn't mean we are going all the way down. Okay, it's just that we need to be a little bit cautiously optimistic. We need to be cautiously optimistic, and also remember, patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. Always remember that, and you will get paid. Do not worry about anything, put a positivity smile up on your face. Right now you can see that Bitcoin reached the price we were talking about, 46,294, 46,440, and it is going a little bit further and further down. We now hold the 46,481 we had as our support level, and eventually we want to see if we close down from here, we might go to 45,000, Tether USD. For now, it is looking healthy. Do not worry about these corrections, and if we just close above the 0.618 and hold a little bit here, we might be able to bounce back, all right? But we need to be a little bit careful. For now, you can see the cuts. This one was skeptical that we go down. This one starts smiling that even if we go down, we will go into an oversold. Now we are getting more confident that if we get into an oversold situation, this will be very, very good for Bitcoin, and therefore we will get many buying opportunities. Ethereum Bitcoin chart is staying a little bit the same. We do not move down, we do not move upwards. We want to see if we will eventually stop the lower low pattern right here and eventually have a double bottom and go above the 0.067 cents. You can see here the 6.7 cents, the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. It is because we divide Ethereum's price to Bitcoin's price. Okay, so right now you know the exact resistance levels, you know the support levels to look for. For now, I'm just saying for now, it is looking like a healthy correction. We will be testing the 50-day EMA. We want to see how strong we can hold right here. And eventually, because Bitcoin now isn't helping so much with this recent price action, that's why AVAX is struggling and it stopped outperforming Bitcoin. You can see here the minor correction. Therefore, that's why we had a 28 almost % correction, but that doesn't mean we have lost anything at the moment. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Also join the Telegram group. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.